So, what did we do to become the enemy of business? We're just doing our job. The government entity work for, and given us a raise for the past 10 years. How is someone supposed to live? And the same salary for 11 years. Do you know of anything that has stayed the same? For 11 years? While this government entity has voted themselves a raise every year. I guess they feel they're more important than the people that actually deliver the service. Or their constituents that receive those services and pay their salary. Then on top of that, they want to kill the union. But don't worry, the Tax Cut and Job Act of 2017 is going to save the day. Because of the Tax Cut and Job Act of 2017, he can live the American dream. And live happily ever after. Guess what? The Tax Cut and Job Act of 2017 did little to cut tax. For us who work with family, who need it the most. Barely 1/3 of working family in the bottom 50% of earnings own stock, according to the Fed. Lower income working Americans don't have extra money to put into stock, and a third of us don't even have access to a 401k, or other retirement plan, according to the Pew. Young people are also less likely to benefit from the rally. Less than a third of people aged 18 to 29 owned stock on average, between 2009 and 2017, according to a Gallup survey released in April. Nearly 2/3 of Americans, between 30 and 64 own stock. On the other hand, nearly 94% of the top income group owned stock in 2016. Current data show that the wealthiest 1% of our country were the largest beneficiary of the tax cut. The main reason the wealthy benefited is because the corporate tax rate fell from 35% to 21%. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin pleaded with CEOs to use the tax cut to reinvest in the economy and to provide wage increase. But data show most of the money was plowed into corporate share buyback to boost executive compensation. Who would have thought? That executive only care about themselves, and don't give a shit about work. How we can see, around us every day, that the spoil of stock market runs are slanted heavily in favor of the wealthy. So, what did we do to be treated like this? If we didn't do our job, none of this would even be possible. Aren't we the ones who should be enjoying the fruit of our labor?